What's up everyone, happy Friday, and I hope you guys have been having an amazing week so far. Today I have a quick tip on how to reduce water spots or any kind of staining on your vehicle, and that's by showing you one simple product, which is after wash. So today we brought in this beautiful Gulf R in the shop and we just washed it and rinsed it down, but you see there's all these water droplets all over the surface, and what we're going to do here is show you guys to wash your car with hard water, or you just can't make it around the car quick enough to get rid of the water spots, and that's by using after wash. Simply spray it directly on the surface, and what that's going to do is, as you see the water drips off, it's breaking the surface tension between the paint and the water so that it helps carry it off the surface. And it's also lubricating, so it's not going to drag any kind of abrasive particles down or anything you may have missed. But you can use this on the painted surfaces, you can use it on your headlights, wheels, glass, anything that's basically got some water spots on there. And again, this is for those guys who have basically well water or groundwater that's very hard or harsh, and it leaves those tiny white spots, or maybe from acid rain. Basically, you just want to spray this on right after you're done washing or right after you're done rinsing. And then you want to take your favorite microfiber towel, which today we're using a woolly mammoth towel, and just continue your drying process. And what's great about this is this reduces the amount of times that you have to pass over the vehicle with your drying towel, because now there's going to be less water sheeting on the surface. Come back over and buff off any excess. And again, you can use your favorite microfiber towel. I like the woolly mammoth because it traps a lot of water or spent product, and it's also very plush, so we don't run the risk of inducing any scratches or swirls in this beautiful blue paint job. There, you just wipe it away and continue the same process over the rest of the vehicle. And just a quick side note on this vehicle, we used our big mouth foam can with some honeydew snow foam that laid down a thick layer of suds, thick layer of foam, which helped reduce the chances of adding new scratches or swirls. A lot of people ask us, how do you get suds so thick? And the reason why, or the way that we do that, is by using 2 to 3 ounces of our favorite Chemical Guys car wash soap. And then if you want to help improve that foaming action, fill the canister with warm water. That'll help to give more foam. And then we also rinsed it down using our snubby, and then now we're finally using our woolly mammoth towel with after wash to help dry off this beautiful car. And now we're going to get ready to return back to its owner, so we're going to continue the drying process. But in the meantime, you guys can check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down for future videos or anything else you guys want to talk about. Guys, have a great weekend. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.